Okay, so the real truth about real estate investing is there is no perfect time to invest. There's absolutely never going to be a time when you look at yourself in the mirror or you look at your partner, your business partner, and you go, hey, it is time. This is the moment, right? It never feels right. It's just like investing is crazy. It's kind of scary. And if you do it wrong, you can lose money. So make sure that you have the right guidance and a realtor or an advisor who has experience investing. I myself have been in the real estate space at this point for 16 years and have been investing for the last 6 years. So the first 9 years, 10 years, we were saving money, trying to figure out, just got into real estate, trying to make it work after leaving the barbershop industry. So you could tell I had a lot of fear about investing. It took me a long time to save money, to be able to do it right. But, managing properties, let's be honest, it is hard work. It is actually work. So there is no perfect time to invest. And just remember, even if you do invest, you could lose your money if you don't do it right. Because tenants are crazy. I have tenants that have owed me well over $20,000. The building situations are crazy. I had problems with the city at one point. I had to do all these renovations to the building that I wasn't planning on. However, now the building is making a profit. It's doing what it's supposed to do, and I've done other properties that do what they're supposed to do as well. And what I mean by when I say do what they're supposed to do is they make me money. That's what they're supposed to do. You're buying the investment to make you money. If you're going to invest, I think you should stop waiting for the right moment. If you think that you're ready, just go for it. Give me a call. Let's figure out what it's going to take for you to invest. There's really no perfect strategy for every single person. I think that you really have to pay attention to where you are, where your comfort level is, what kind of investments do you really want to make. Do you want to invest in funds where somebody else manages and buys the real estate and you're more passive? Do you want to be a little bit more active where you're actually a direct owner and a decision maker? But I think everybody should start investing in real estate because it's changed my life, and it could certainly change your life to the point where you can make crazy money. I've seen families that have become so wealthy. We all know these families that they go, oh, my family has 300, 400, 500, 600 units. Guess what? Guess what that family's doing? Everybody's eating well. So if you want to create an opportunity for you and your loved ones where you can actually be able to do more than just work and get a high paying job, you actually are able to generate wealth and generate constant opportunities of financial gain without you personally working for it. Investing in real estate could be your thing. However, there is no perfect time. It's never going to feel right, and it is going to be work, and things are going to go wrong. However, the payoff for dealing with this stuff in real estate could be much greater than dealing with nonsense and not having real estate. Because if you deal with property issues, and then let's say you buy a property for $1 million, in about 30 years time or sooner, that $1 million in theory you can get back. Plus you've made money every single year on that property, especially after the first couple years when everything has been stabilized. So if you're looking to invest in real estate, just remember, buy real estate and wait. That's it. End of story. And you will become wealthier, and then you're going to call me and thank me, and you can use me to buy a bunch more real estate, and then we go party on your yacht.